In some parts of the world, mysterious deaths of which creatures threaten agriculture. Base. Which of the following is not a marsupial? Badger. How many times is the largest fish larger than the smallest fish? 1,800 times. Which animal swims in an upright position? Seahorse. A quetzal is a kind of which animal? Bird. What do flamingos eat? Seafood. What is the most notable feature of a pelican? Bill. Which animal leaps out of the water to communicate with others of its kind? Whale. Which animal's baby is known as a cygnet? Swan. Which bamboo-eating bear has a baby that weighs less than an apple? Panda bear. Which animal used to roam in huge herds across the American West? American buffalo. Which animal's group is known as a pride? Lion. Which is the biggest of the great apes? Gorilla. Which bird can fly straight up, down, and backward? Hummingbird. Which animal is the only flying mammal? Bat. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? Lobsters and crabs. Which is the only big cat that can't roar? Cheetahs. What food makes up nearly all, around 99%, of a giant panda's diet? Bamboo. What are female elephants called? Cows. A doe is what kind of animal? A female deer. Which animal defines fertility? Bull. The camel's hump is composed of which tissue? Adipose. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3 hearts. Which is the bird which lays more than 100 eggs in one nest? Ostrich. Which animal has the longest tail? Giraffe.